Good morning, Dulce. Good morning, Grace. Abuela wants to read you a story. It's called You Are My I Love You by Marianne Gusimano Love. I am your abuela. You are my nieta. I am your quiet place. You are my wild. I am your calm face. You are my giggle. I am your weight. You are my wiggle. I am your carriage ride. You are my queen. I am your push. You are my swing. I am your audience. You are my clown. I am your London Bridge. You are my falling down. I am your carrot stick. You are my licorice. I am your dandelion. You are my first wish. I am your water wings. You are my deep. I am your open arms. You are my running leap. I am your way home. You are my new path. I am your dry towel. You are my wet bath. I am your dinner. You are my chocolate cake. I am your bedtime. You are my wide awake. I am your finish line. You are my race. I am your praying hands. You are my saying grace. I am your favorite book. You are my new lines. I am your nightlight. You are my starshines. I am your lullaby. You are my peekaboo. I am your goodnight kiss. You are my I love you. I love you both. I hope you enjoy the story. Tell mommy and daddy to let you listen to it as much as you want. Have a great day.